Application of aluminum extrusion press. The aluminum profile extrusion machine is an important method of pressure processing using the principle of high temperature melting plastic forming of aluminum materials. Through extrusion, aluminum rods are processed into tubes, T-shaped, L-shaped, and other profiles at one time. New energy vehicles are replacing traditional vehicles. In recent years, orders for extrusion machines for the production of automotive aluminum profiles have gradually increased. The production line of new energy automotive aluminum extrusion machines installed some time ago has been successfully debunked. Aluminum alloy is becoming more and more popular in new energy vehicle production. Aluminum alloy is the direction of automobile lightweight development and has become one of the main production materials of automobile manufacturing. Therefore, the application of aluminum extrusion equipment is becoming more and more extensive. According to statistics, for every 100 kilograms reduction in vehicle weight, carbon dioxide emissions can be reduced by about 5 grams per kilometer. It can be seen that the lightweight of vehicles is of great significance to energy saving and consumption reduction. For the current new energy vehicles, a lightweight body is an inevitable choice as the best lightweight material. Aluminum alloy will naturally be used in large quantities in the production of new energy vehicles, so aluminum extrusion machines will shine in the new energy vehicle industry. Our team is constantly innovating in extrusion equipment. Since the establishment of the company in 2015, our team has been constantly innovating in the research and development of extrusion machines. Joyin is very happy that the extrusion machine can be applied in the field of new energy vehicles and make a contribution to the world's environmental protection. Our equipment can be customized according to customer needs, and our technicians can provide you with production line solutions. Joyin looks forward to reaching a win-win situation with you and creating a bright future together.